small talk starters.
Hey, long time no see.
I know, it's been ages.
How's it going?
Pretty good, just busy with work.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. You?
Can't complain. What have you been up to?
Pretty busy with school, but it's going well.
That's good to hear. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Ben.
How's your day been?
Not bad, just a bit hectic.
What's been keeping you so busy?
Work mostly. Everything seems to be happening at once.
I get that. Those days can be rough. Hey there, nice to see you.
Good to see you too. It's been a while.
What's new with you?
Not much. Just started a new course. Hey, Sylvia. What a surprise seeing you here.
Alex, wow, it's been so long. How have you been lately?
I've been good, just busy with work and family.
Same here. I'm dining with relatives tonight.
Me too. We should catch up properly sometime soon.
Saying excuse me in different ways. Excuse me, could you help me find this street?
Of course. Let me take a look. Oh, it's just around the corner. Go straight ahead and turn left at the pharmacy.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
Pardon me, may I get through?
Oh, sure, go ahead.
Thanks. Sorry to interrupt, but can I ask a quick question?
No problem. What is it?
I just need some information about the schedule for tomorrow's meeting. Sure, it's set for 10 a.m. Great, thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bump into you.
That's all right.
Still, my apologies.
No worries at all. It happens.
Would you mind if I sat here?
Not at all. Please do.
Thank you.
Tiny but powerful phrases natives use. Honestly, I think we should leave earlier to avoid traffic. You know what I mean?
Yeah, especially on Fridays. It gets crazy.
Exactly. We could leave at 5 instead of 6.
I guess so. But I still need to finish some work.
Fair enough. Work comes first.
What if we leave at 5:30? That gives me time to wrap things up.
Yeah, that works. Not too early, not too late.
Great, and we can grab coffee on the way.
Now you're talking. A good coffee makes everything better.
I guess so, especially if I'm tired.
Same here. So it's settled. 5:30, quick coffee stop, then we go.
All right, I'll make sure I'm ready by then.
Perfect.
More natural alternatives to okay. Hey, let's meet at 6 instead of 5 today.
All right, that gives me more time to finish work.
Great! And maybe we can grab dinner after?
I'm in! I've been meaning to try that new Italian place downtown.
Perfect! I'll make a reservation just in case.
Got it. Let me know the details.
Of course. I'll text you the address later. Also, I might be a few minutes late.
No problem. That works for me.
Thanks for understanding. I'm really looking forward to it.
Same here. It's been a while since we last hung out.
True, we definitely needed to plan something. By the way, do you want to sit outside if the weather's nice?
Sure thing. That would be great.
I'll text you once I leave home.
Sounds good. See you later.
See you soon. I'm really looking forward to it. It should be a relaxing evening after such a long and stressful week.
Reactions nobody teaches. Hey Jane, guess what? I finally got the job I told you about.
No way! That's amazing!
I know, right? They called me this morning and offered me the position.
Seriously? They chose you over all those other candidates?
Yeah, they said they liked my ideas during the interview.
That's crazy! You were so nervous about it.
I was. I almost didn't even apply.
Well, I'm glad you did. Good for you. You really deserve it.
Thanks. It still doesn't feel real.
So, when do you start?
Next Monday. I've got a lot to prepare.
I can imagine, but you'll do great.
I hope so. Thinking time phrases. I saw your message about changing the project idea. What do you think we should do?
Give me a second. I'm still figuring it out.
Sure, no rush.
Okay, let me think. Maybe we don't need to change everything, just adjust a few parts.
Like what?
How can I say this? The main concept is good, but the presentation feels a bit unclear.
So you mean we should simplify it?
Yeah, exactly. It's hard to explain, but I feel like we're overcomplicating something that could be simple.
That actually makes sense. Maybe we focus on one strong idea instead of 3 smaller ones.
Yes, that's what I was trying to say.
All right, so we keep the core idea, simplify the message, and improve how we present it.
Right. I think that'll make a big difference.
Glad we talked it through.
Me too.
Reacting to bad news. You seem a bit down, Trisha. Did something happen?
I didn't get the job I was really hoping for.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I thought I did well, but they chose someone else.
What a bummer.
I know. I was really counting on it.
That's tough. You put a lot of effort into it.
I did. Weeks of preparation.
Hey, don't let this stop you.
I'm trying not to, but it's frustrating.
Of course it is. Anyone would feel the same.
I just don't know what to do next.
Take a little time, then try again.
Yeah, I guess I will.
Hope things get better.
Thanks. I appreciate that. More natural alternatives to I don't know. Hey, do you know what time the meeting starts tomorrow?
I'm not sure. I think it's in the morning, though.
I couldn't find the email. Do you know who's leading it?
Good question. I assumed it was Sarah, but now I'm not certain.
Yeah, that sounds right, but I don't remember clearly.
Maybe we should double check.
Probably. By the way, do you know what we're supposed to prepare?
I haven't thought about that. I guess we should bring our reports?
Yeah, that makes sense. I'll bring mine just in case.
Same here.
Do you think this meeting is going to be long?
No idea, honestly. Last time it went on for hours.
Oh no, I hope not.
Yeah, me too. Maybe this one will be shorter.
Let's hope so. Should we ask someone to confirm all this?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
I'll message Sarah.
Perfect. That way, we won't be guessing anymore.
How to say, I don't want to go, without sounding harsh. Hey, are you coming to the party tonight?
I'm not sure I'll make it.
Really? It's going to be fun.
I know, it sounds great. I'm just feeling a bit tired today.
Oh, come on, just for a little while?
I'd love to, but I think I need a quiet night instead.
Got it. Long day?
Yeah, pretty much. I just want to relax and recharge.
That makes sense.
Maybe next time? Let me know when you plan something else.
Of course, we'll do something soon.
Thanks for understanding.
No worries. Enjoy your evening.
You too. Have fun at the party.
I will. Talk tomorrow?
Definitely.
All right. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Apologizing casually. Hey, you didn't reply to my message yesterday.
Oh, sorry about that. I saw it late and forgot to answer.
I needed your feedback for the plan.
Yeah, I get it. My bad. I should have checked my phone more carefully.
It slowed things down a bit.
I know. That's on me. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
All right, just let me know next time.
Of course. I didn't mean to cause any trouble.
Okay.
Can you send me the plan again?
Sure, I will.
Thanks. I'll look at it right away. I'll make it up to you, I promise.
Good. Just help me finish this plan.
Deal.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.